Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamzanur and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 1 of Unit 1 Chemistry Fundamentals of Chemistry Review Exercise for Class 9. So let's start. Encircle the correct answer. Which of the following lists contains only elements? So, first of all, we should know what are elements. Elements are those substances which cannot be further divided into simpler substances. So, air, water, and oxygen. All of these are compounds, not elements. Hydrogen, oxygen, and brass. These are not all elements. Air, water, fire, and earth, these are not elements. Calcium, sulfur, and carbon, yes, all these three are elements, so D is the correct option. The diagram below represents particle in 4 substances. Which box represents particle in nitrogen? So nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. It does not exist freely in the atmosphere, meaning whenever we say nitrogen is in the atmosphere, nitrogen contains 2 atoms. So 2 atoms. Over here, look at this picture over here. These shows 2 atoms attached together. So D is again the correct option. What is the formula mass of CuSO4 5H2O? Now, formula mass of CuSO4 5H2O. Cu is equals to 63.5, S sulfur is equals to 32, oxygen 16, and hydrogen 1. Now Cu copper 63.5 plus sulfur 32, oxygen 4 molecules, so 4 multiplied by 16 plus 5. H2O is a compound, so its molar mass is 18, and 18 multiplied by 5. When we add them all together, the answer is 249.5 grams per mole. Now, a compound with chemical formula Na2CX3 has formula mass of 106 AMU. Atomic mass of the element X is. Now, over here, it is given then that Na2CX3 is equals to 106 AMU. First of all, we put the masses of the elements. Now sodium is equals to 23, and there are 2 atoms of sodium, so 2 multiplied by 23. Then comes carbon. Carbon is equals to 12 plus 3x. Why 3x? Because over here it is shown that this compound contains 3 atoms of element X, is equals to 106 AMU. So now 2 multiplied by 23 is 46 plus 12 plus 3x is equals to 106 AMU. 46 plus 12 is 58, and when we shift 58 to the right hand side, at the left hand side 58 is positive, and when we shift it to the right hand side, 58 will become negative. So 3x is equals to 106 minus 58. 106 minus 58 is equals to 48. Now 3x is equals to 48. 3 over here is being multiplied with x. When we shift it to that side, it is going to divide 48. So 48 divided by 3 is equals to 16. So x is equals to 16. The correct option is D. How many moles of molecules are there in 16 grams of oxygen? Now you may say 1 mole, but that's not the correct answer. It's 0.5. Why? Oxygen does not exist freely. It comes as a diatomic element. So whenever we say oxygen, we should keep in mind that 2 atoms of oxygen combined. So 1 atom contains 16 grams. So when there are 2 atoms, it will be equal to 32. So 1 mole of oxygen will contain 32 grams of oxygen. So let me just explain it to you here. Now 1 mole of O2 is equals to 32 grams. In order to find 1 gram of O2, it is equals to 1 over 32 moles. And when we say 16 grams, we divide 16 by 32. Now the answer is 0.5 moles is equals to 16 grams. So the correct answer is B. What is the mass of 4 moles of hydrogen gas? Now 1 mole of hydrogen gas is equals to 2.016. Why? Because hydrogen is also a diatomic molecule, meaning it comes as 2 atoms. So 2.06 multiplied by 4, the answer is 8.064 grams. VI is the answer. So that is it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And stay tuned for our next lessons. Allah Hafiz.